Hello, I'm Fundoshi man. Today I will explain about how to use the samurai underwear. Well, when we come to the barbecue or camp, so if my hands got dirty with the oil, garlic, or pepper and sauce, but we can wipe my hands. And this one, yeah, easy. We don't need to go to the river. We don't need to wash my hands. We don't need. Just wipe with this one. It's easy. So you can see, it likes the oily hand, but I can wipe. Yes, nice, good. So everybody wear the samurai underwear? Yes. Bye bye.
シンプル、ナチュラル、ベーシックオブ忍びふんどし。It's a new ultimate underwear of the past. 忍びブランド。